Welcome to Best RV Channels. Again, this is Niall from Best RV in Torla, California. We have today a manufacturer rep from Forest Rivers, Russell Spencers. He's the manufacturer rep for RPod and Server. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
You bet. Today he's going to present for us the features and the benefit of the RPod comparing the other unit. And we took one of the unit today is the RPod 203. So Russell, could you tell us why customers need to come to Best RV and look at the RPod and see the features of the RPod?
Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Niall. What we're super excited for this year, guys, is 15-year anniversary of RPod. So,
nice.
You know, we've got a real good following on this product over the last 15 years, and it has stand the test of time. So you'll see the same style that we've had since day one. With the rounded fronts and the front windows that open and stuff. So
yeah, I see
there's a lot of good features there,
yes,
for sure.
And then also I see you guys, you put a diamond plate here for rocks as well. The window in the front.
Yeah, and the window opens up 90 degrees. So it's an acrylic window. So, you know, it's going to withstand any kind of road debris or anything like that that's thrown at it. But it opens up 90 degrees and it's got both shades on there as well, right?
And get the nice for sure.
Absolutely.
Now, I noticed in this 2025, you went to the slam luggage door with the metal lock.
Yeah, we did a few different things here, actually. We did the full metal slam catches on all of our exterior doors. And then also inside your compartment, you're going to have motion lighting and USB and USB-C ports for charging any kind of devices that you bring out camping, right?
Good, nice. And you can see it's
magnetic catches,
magnetic
absolutely.
catching. And then also here's on this particular RPod 203, I love those rims. Where you got it in? I mean, it's like
the gold rims. You know what? That's it. Just adds a little bit of class to this trailer for sure, right? It's not the standard wheels that you see out on everyday product, right?
Yes, and I see here's the off-road tires. And then this one, me personally, I like it comparing the other brands, is everybody has that piece of plastic wheel fender.
Right.
Half the time they crack.
Right.
So
this is nice solid metal fenders there. So,
nice.
You know, just more durability.
And then I see here's you have a rack for the outdoor barbecue. So you could come with it. The outdoor grill is sit on this rack where you hook it up to the propane. And then also when you're cooking, you have outside shower with hot and cold, not just the cold. So you could rinse your hands, rinse your dog, whatever you like. And then we have a bath storage underneath the bunk behind you. And then I notice each bunk has windows. Is that correct?
Absolutely.
And they're big size, not a small.
And separate, you know, when we're inside too, you'll see more, but you know, separate curtains inside for each window and one curtain for both bunks there inside.
And then I noticed you guys, this time the speakers is bigger than last year, and we have LED lights with the power awnings. It's amazing.
Big thing for 2025 is the new tankless hot water.
Yes, it's endless hot water heater, and there's nothing. You just
you'll run out of water before you run out of hot water. That's for sure.
That's good. Then what's in the back here? Let's see. Oh,
so pack and play door as well, right? So
yes.
You can load up anything you want in here. Kayaks. We're on a strut there as well, so nice and easy to use. Good versatility there. And as you were pointing out there, Niall, is our Lippert stowaway ladder prep.
Yes.
So you can buy that collapsible ladder,
yes.
which is really safe for you to get up on top of your roof. And then your backup camera prep over there as well.
Then you notice you give them the receiver for bike rack or tray, or they could put their portable generators,
cargo racks and that kind of stuff. You bet.
Nice. And then here's we have cable, satellites, and then the place for power cord. I love this sensor. I mean, this kind of simple things what RPod they offer you. They give you a sensor light so you can see when you hook up your black and gray water.
Somebody doesn't get to stand there with the flashlight
exactly.
while you're hooking it up, right?
So you don't have to use your phone.
Just little things that we're trying to do that consumers have asked us to do, and we're trying to implement it. So
yes, and then I see here a black tank flush.
Absolutely. And
then big slides, city water connections, and then here's the pass through with the magnets. And then come with a power tank jack with a propane tank in the front.
You got battery disconnect down there as well in the corner. And this little guy's for your TPMS, because all of our tires, we have the banded TPMS on the rim, right? So you'll be able to monitor for heat and for air pressure. So super good safety feature for sure.
Good. And that's one thing features I like about the RPod. You could check on your tires. And then could you tell me? Look how beautiful this door. I mean, it's like a glass. You know what about it's gonna break?
Nope, nope. It's a tempered glass, and it's been withstanding the stand of time for sure.
Good.
Haven't had very many issues with them at all. The good thing is they don't heat up like the metal ones do. So a lot of those metal doors, when they're black like that, they actually heat up in this type of weather out here, right?
Yes, absolutely, in California. So coming here is inside the RPod. We're inside the RPod 203. So as I see, I mean, I love this. People that think that maybe this is a broken piece, but in reality, it's not a broken piece.
Nope, no. It's just a different style of fascia that we did this year, right? All solid wood, so no chipping and that kind of stuff that's going to happen with that.
And then I like it. Then the design, it looked like, you know, a piece of lumber. They got it in, and
Just not so straight,
not so straight.
right?
And then we have a solid table. Like some of them, I noticed they have one leg. This is solid two leg with a nice LED light.
Drops down into a bed as well, so you can pull those poles out. This drops down into a bed if you need to sleep more.
Yeah, and then you see storage underneath. One of the features I like about it, this here. A lot of people, they ask me, what you do with this?
Well, we put the little hanger up there for you so that you can hang it up there and travel down the road. And if you don't need it, it can store away nicely there.
Nice.
But I think the best thing is we give you this big size bowl sink, right? It's one of the larger sinks out there for sure.
And then we have a 2-burner stove here with lights, and they're electric. You could see they're electric. And then I have a light and a fan hood. Over here's nice solid doors. And then this is the TST control panel.
Yeah, you betcha.
Perfect.
That's awesome. What goes inside your truck and monitors those tires for you.
And then here's, so you provide customer with heated holding tank?
Do. Yeah.
Okay.
So with Hood River Edition out west, where you guys are lucky to get this Hood River Edition, you're getting heat pads on the tanks. You're getting a max air cover on your max fan in the bathroom.
I see.
And you're getting the aggressive tires on the outside.
So that's part of the
It's all part of the Hood River Edition.
Hood River Editions. And then here's the controllers. And then you have a nice stools. It's amazing.
Little bar seating area.
Yeah, perfect. Where's my drink? And then you have a nice sofa here. Even on the sofa, I noticed you put 110 plug, USB plug, both kind. They come with a smart TV.
12-volt TV as well.
Nice.
So you don't have to be plugged in.
So
I think one of the great things that we do really well at our pod is our Murphy bed style. It's very simple, very easy to use. The bed folds down.
Voila.
And you've got your full window up in the front as well.
See how fast he did it, Russell? Russell did less than a quarter minute. I mean, just
and you got into it. So it's nice and easy to put it back up as well.
Yes.
So just as fast as I put it down, I put it back. Right?
And then you have a doors here for socks, shirts. And then I like about these cabinets, it has a light LED. You see, and this is the outdoor grill you see in the unit. And then they're both sides. Speakers inside and speakers outside. Air conditioning, central air, air conditioning heating.
15,000 BTU AC, so lots of AC, right?
So it's a bigger AC. Space.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Be a chill cube in here.
Yeah, and then here's a nice pantry. And you give them a vacuum on
this side? We do. Yeah, that's your central vacuum. And it's got both the hose kit and the tow kick down there.
Wow, and it comes with the accessories.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. Normally, these central vac, you don't find them only on the most expensive fifth wheel and trailers. But again, Forest River, our pod, they give it to you on this size even. And then here's, you give them the ladder?
I give them the ladder.
Because a lot of them, they don't. Here's double over double. Come with a ladder, and what I want to demonstrate is you have the pass-through storage where you could store here's kayaks. I mean, you name it. You could store whatever you want, and as he said, you just push the latch down, you walk away. Look how simple and easy. And now I have a beautiful bunk bed, double over double, and I have storage underneath it.
There's separate lights for both bunks. There's separate USB plugs for both bunks as well, because the kids are going to have to charge their stuff.
Nice, nice. Now I see here's nice stainless steel. This is a convection microwave.
You bet.
So it's an electric oven as well electric microwave. Beautiful. And then here's, look, they give you the biggest
Biggest fridge we can put in here, the 10.7.
10.7, and that's a 12
That's a
volt.
12 volt. Yeah.
So does it come with a solar panel?
It does, yeah. So our pod has 200 watts of solar on the roof already done.
Oh, perfect.
You can upgrade that to more panels if you want, because we do run a 30 amp controller in there as well. So
yes, and we could do that here at Best RV if you
Absolutely.
decide to upgrade the solar panel system. You know, this backsplash, I mean, this is like a 5-star hotel backsplash. And you give them a nice medicine
cabinet, yeah, residential size.
and then a place for towels. Fantastic fan with the covers on the top.
Absolutely.
Big, and then this is nice. You could put your shampoos, that kind of stuff, and then
And you got the slow close shower door on there as well.
yeah, I
So
see
it's
that.
not just a little curtain. Keep that water from leaving.
And a skylight for taller
Taller people.
people. No problem. Good output, good size. So, folks, we really appreciate Forest River's RPod division, what they provide us on the RPod. We got a new shipments of 2025 here. We have a prices no deal could match, and even if they try to get close, we will not make them. Come to Best RV, save $1,000, and grab this RPod 203 from Best RV down in Turlock, California. And what's the key? We have no hidden fees, no junk fees, no bogus fees, no destination fees, and we provide you the lowest price. Russell, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it.
And keep the good job and sending more trailer for us.
Thank you.
So we can pass it to our customers.